Welcome back. Today I'll show you how I make wispy classic look for girl with hooded eyelids. This is procedure which takes less than 2 hours. So now I'm gluing patches, applying tape to the outer corner. First of all, I'll apply spikes. My spikes will have the length of 12 to the outer half of my client's eyelids. I apply 12 to the strongest lashes of my client. Between 12s, I'll apply 11s to the regular lashes and 10 to the shortest or baby lashes. I prefer to work with a wispy wet effect, so I use closed 2D fans 0.1 thickness CC curl because my client has hooded eyelids. It's a very good idea to ask the client if she want to use brown lashes, but sometimes I use black ones for blonde girls if they want more dramatic look. Okay, outer part is almost done. I working with the inner central part of her eyelids, where the most longest link will be 11, 10 to the medium length of natural lashes, and 9 to the not too long lashes. Okay, after applying tape to the inner part for more comfortable work with the inner corners, I apply 7s to the inner part, and I started with a 7s, then I apply 8s, 9s, 10s. This is the results of our work. Thank you for watching my video, and bye bye.